Hey, what's going on guys, here, my name is Sid, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can do on your Hackintosh. So let's get started, right? Okay, so before we proceed, I just want to give a shout out to Which Coding for being an amazing subscriber and supporter, and you are a fan, you are a channel approved fan of the week. So yeah, we have the video. Okay, so let me talk about why you need to dual boot on your PC. This might be mainly just for some apps when working on macOS and vice versa. And you might need Windows for some useful features such as gaming and streaming, I guess, which doesn't work on macOS yet. Kind of these things and native apps on Windows. So how are you going to do this? What you're going to need is first an SSD and second a SATA cable. So grab your motherboard box and open it. You shall find a packet with a tons of SATA cables made, usually 3 or 4 SATA cables. So grab one, get an SSD and plug it in your computer on your motherboard. Once you do it, and plug it in your motherboard. Once you do it, you might be ready to install Windows, but first you're going to go into your BIOS, go to your boot menu and select your SSD as the boot drive. Then this, I just made one, you can just like this and install Windows like you would normally on your PC. So once this done, what you're going to do next after Windows install, what you're going to need to use macOS, just plug out, remove your Windows SSD so it doesn't clashes anything in macOS. So better be safe than sorry. What you're going to do, what you should do after using Windows is to unplug it and don't update Windows with your macOS SSD plugged in, because it may crash your macOS or even corrupt your files, and macOS can be corrupted too, and there's no way out, there's no exit from that. So that's what you want to keep in mind, guys. And finally, we're at the end of the video. I just want to mention out that if you love my videos, keep supporting me so I can make these free contents, and that subscribe button and ring the ding ding and ring that ding ding. Yeah, that was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure we reach 500 subscribers till the end of January. So peace out, don't forget to subscribe. Bye, and see you guys later.